Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video I'll show you how to add this design to your Blogger website. Now we have some animation for this design, so if I refresh this page, here we can see we have this animation for all these elements, and for this heading we have the animation playing for each of the characters separately, and then for this text we have the animation played for each of the words separately. Now if you want to learn how to create this type of animation, you can watch my previous video. I will leave the link in the description of this video, and I will also leave the link of the source code so you can just copy and paste the code to your websites. So in this video we will add this to our Blogger website. So let's get started. Right here I'm in the dashboard of my Blogger website. So let's create a new post and we will add the design into a post. So let's click on new post. And we'll just add a title. I'll just type animated text. And the first thing you need to do is change this into the HTML view. So by default, it'll be in the compose view. So click on this button and click on HTML view. Now here you can add the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first of all, let's add the CSS. I'll just create a style tag for that. And in this style tag, we will add the CSS. So let's go to our source code. And let's go to the style.css file and let's copy all the CSS from here. And let's go back to our post and let's paste it over here inside the style tag. And now let's paste the HTML. So let's go outside the style tag and let's go back to our source code and let's go to the HTML file. So this is the HTML of our design. So let's copy this, and we'll also copy the link of these two libraries. We are using this library called SplitType and also this library called GSAP. So let's copy all of this and let's go back to our post and let's paste it over here. Right now we are using this font called Rubik in our design. So here we can see the Rubik font is used over here. So let's get the link of the font and paste it in our CSS in this post. So let's go to Google Fonts. So you can just go to fonts.google.com and just search for the font over here. So you can just type Rubik and the font is displayed over here, and you can just click on the font and select the styles you want. So we are using the regular and the bold versions. So you can select regular 400 and also bold 800, which we are using. So I have already selected those, and let's click on this button called view selected families. And here we have this option of importing the fonts into our CSS. So let's click on this button and let's copy this code from here, and let's go back to our post and let's paste it over here inside the CSS. Right now let's add the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag over here. And now let's go back to our source code and let's go to the main.js file and let's copy all this JavaScript from here and let's paste it over here inside the script tag. Right now let's publish this and let's see how it works. So let's click on publish and confirm. And here we can see our post has been published. So let's click on view. And here we have the animation working, but we have some problems in the styling. The first thing we need to do is we need to reduce the font size, and we also have some problem in the height of this heading. So let's right click over here and click on inspect, and let's go to the heading. This is the heading, and if you scroll down, here we can see a line height has been already added by the theme. So we have to set the line height back to 1, and now we can see it looks alright. So we'll also change the font size. So let's try 40 pixels, I think that looks alright, or 50 pixels. And the next thing we need to do is, here we can see for the text container in the CSS we have set a fixed width of 900 pixels. So we'll just remove this width property from here, and now we can see it looks alright. So let's make those changes. Let's go back to our post, and here for the text container I'll just remove this width, and for the h2 we need to set the line height to 1. And now let's update this. Right, let's go back to our post and let's refresh this page. And we also need to change the font size. So let's go back, and the font size should be set to 50. Right, let's update this. And let's go back and let's refresh this page. And now we can see that the animation looks alright. Now you can go ahead and make some changes in the styling and make it look different. So if you go back to our post, here we can see these are all the styles. So we have the background color, we have the text color and all of those things. And if you scroll down, here's the text, so you can change the text to whatever you want. And if you scroll down, here's the JavaScript for the animation. So here we can see we are setting the height back to auto from a height of 0 in the CSS. So you can change these properties to change the animation. Alright, so that's basically how you can add this text animation design to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description, and I will also leave the link of the design video in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.